Good day to you from Minnovation. This is our online tutorial service, and what we're going to look at is how to manage the menus on the revamped Crowe Associates website. The first thing you'll notice is on the home page you have this lovely right hand side. What's new and follow us on Twitter look after themselves. You don't need to worry about that. Your latest post will always appear here under what's new. You did ask whether you could edit the content of the Learn box, and I'll show you how you do that. First of all, just edit the page, and you'll see the home page. This only applies to the home page. Has this sidebar option now, where you can change the title if you want to change it, and you can change the text that goes inside the box. Now, this box includes HTML tags. So what you need to do is to keep those P tags intact. That tag says start a paragraph, this tag says finish a paragraph, and then there's another new paragraph here, and then finish a paragraph there. So if we wanted to move the read more link to a new paragraph, we just insert that text there. So that finishes a paragraph there and then starts a new one. So that would put read more on a new line, but we don't want to do that, so we just leave it like that. So practical wisdom spiced with an element of theory, read more all appears in the same paragraph. So I'll go back to viewing the page. These are our two paragraphs. That's the first paragraph, that's the second one. Right, onward to the resources section. You'll see that we've removed the submenu now and replaced it with menus that go on the right hand side. So if we click coaching and mentoring, it'll take us to the coaching and mentoring section. Now, I think there's a bit of work for you to do in editing the content of these pages. Quite a lot of them have this feature with an image at the top that displaces a title. What I would suggest that you do is you go through it and move those images but down below the title. I'll just drag that to beside the paragraph, and I'll update it, and then we'll view the page, and you've now got the title at the top. It's much better to see the title of the section at the top. You'll also see that the title of the section always appears at the top of the right hand menu. So if we go into transactional analysis, we can still get back to coaching and mentoring skills. So what you need to know now is how to manage these menus. So here we need to go into the dashboard, and we use the appearance section to manage the menus. Yeah, I know it doesn't make any sense at all, menus, appearance. And you'll see there's a list of menus along the top. These are all the menus that are used on the site in alphabetical order. We were looking at coaching and mentoring, so I'll click that menu, and it shows all the individual pages that are displayed down the side. If I want to reorder those, I just drag and drop. What you want me to make sure is that you don't drag it like that, indented, because that's going to try and create a sub-menu. You need to make sure they stay at the same level. Okay, so that's a basic how to manage a menu. You might want to add new items to the menu at some point. So what you need to do is to find the page that you want to add to it. These are displayed in this section. Let's say that you wanted to add this page, strategic planning. You just click add to menu, and that's it on the menu. And again, you can reposition it as you like. Once you click save menu, then that's done. You can add other things to menus other than pages. I think we're going to remove that from the menu. I'll just show you how to do that. Click the wee triangle and click remove. But while we're doing it, you can edit the text that appears. It doesn't have to, by default it will show the page title, but if you wanted to edit that for it to appear differently on the menu, you can do. However, we're going to remove that one. You can also add custom links. So if you wanted to have a link to Minnovation's website, you could put that in there. You could copy and paste that. That could be a link to anything on the web, and you can also use categories from your, if you wanted to have categories from your What's New section on there, you could add those onto the menu as well. So that's it basically. You click Save Menu and that's your changes done. If there's anything that I'm going to not save the changes, so you can browse through the menu and you can that can't be doing with that. Save menu, copyright, get the spelling right. So you can use this to browse through to find the menu you want to edit, and basically that's all there is to it. Well, I hope you enjoy using that menu. I think it will make the content easier to find on the website, but other than that, everything has pretty much stayed as it was before.